Let's make the best chocolate chip cookies you ever made. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add half a cup of butter, 1/4 cup of white sugar, half a cup of brown sugar. Mix until the sugar dissolves. Then crack 1 egg and mix. Fold in 1½ cups of flour. Add 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of chocolate chip, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We had to cool the cookie dough for half an hour. Take out of the fridge and roll into small balls. Now it's time to bake. 175 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes or until golden around the edges. And there you have it. Chocolate chip cookies. Bon appetit.